Hi there, how are you? It is Chateau Morrison, and I am your Mary Kay Princess of Positivity Girl. And I'm here to talk to you about the skincare system that you just purchased. Now, if you purchased Timewise Repair, I know that since you've started using this product, your skin is glowing. But just in case you got a little bit confused about any of the pieces or you just need a little bit of a refresher, no shame in that game. Let's just talk really quickly about all the elements of the Timewise Repair system and how you need to use them. So first things first, the foaming cleanser in Timewise Repair is amazing because not only does it have age-fighting peptides, but it's a foaming cleanser. Need I say more? You need the tiniest amount of this cleanser. You're going to put it into your hand. You're going to add some water, and you're going to notice that a little lather is going to come. You're going to put it on your face, always working upward. And what's amazing about it is not only does it take off makeup, but it goes beneath the makeup to actually condition your skin. That's step one. You're going to do that step twice a day. Now, the second step is going to be the serum. Now, the serum is great because it actually comes out with just the amount that you need. You don't need to pump and triple pump and quadruple pump. One pump is what you need. It's just that amount that your skin needs to get that lifting and that tightening. When you think about the Timewise Repair system, think about that serum being one of the most important parts of it. When you do that twice a day, especially the one you do at night, it helps your skin to replenish and know we're going on the way up. You know that? On the way up. No one can stop us. Okay. I always add that song in for some reason. Don't judge me. All right, so put that serum on. Again, you're going to use a pea-sized amount. Now, if you'd like to see some changes on your neck, you may need to use a little bit more. You can also take a little bit and put it on your neck, on the décolleté area as well. Any area from basically the girls up can use that serum. Next thing depends on if it's day or night. So in the morning, you're going to use the day cream. That's going to give you your SPF 30. And it's also, again, going to give you moisturization for up to 12 hours. And in the evening, you're going to use the night cream. That makes sense. A night cream has that encapsulated retinol. What does that mean? It means you're not putting pure retinol on your face. You're getting great results from the retinol. It's helping to erase those lines of wrinkles. It's helping to refresh your skin and bring it back to its youthful, its youthful glow. However, retinol is retinol. So as to make sure that you don't get any damage to your skin, only do that at night. Even if you say, but I'm gonna be home all day, Chateau, don't use the retinol night cream in the daytime, because as you notice, like I'm in my dining room right now, there's sun coming through the windows, and sun and retinol, they're not friends. They're not friends. So you can get sun damage. So make sure you're only doing it in the evening. So those two powerhouses give you 24-hour moisturization. You only have to use the day cream in the morning and the night cream at night. And the fifth step is to take care of our eyes. A gentle area under your eyes is where people notice either you're aging or you're sad or you're tired. That's the part where people really see first that things are going on in your face. So that's how you can have maybe your young daughter or someone, your young little niece, and say, girlfriend, are you all right? Sis, are you okay? Because you'll notice that there's something going on with her eyes. So in order to keep people guessing, they don't even know everything. You make sure that you use that eye cream. You can use it twice a day. Now, the secret to the eye cream is that little metal applicator at the top. Squeeze the container just a little bit. A small amount comes out, and then you can roll that right on your eyes. In the evening, you can put it all the way on the lid and under the brow bone. Why? It's going to add a little bit of extra emollients there. You don't want that during the day, because if you're going to use any kind of eyeshadow or you're on something like Zoom or a camera, it's going to add too much shine there. So you don't want that, but you can definitely use it all over the eye at night. So I hope this gave you some new little tips and tricks. If you're not sure and you have any additional questions, I hope this video helped you. What you have to do if you have any questions is you just have to reach out. You can get me at 443-583-3670. Shoot me a text, or on Facebook, you can go to Facebook Messenger and I will get back to you right away. I hope you're having an amazing day. Get your glow on, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.